In this video, I'll guide you through how to view pending transactions on Capital One. Whether you're keeping an eye on your spending or just curious about recent activity, knowing how to quickly access your pending transactions can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to sign in to your Capital One account. You can do this on either the Capital One website or their mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. If you're using the website, simply go to the Capital One homepage and log in with your credentials. If you're on the mobile app, open it up and enter your login details there. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll see a list of all your accounts. Next, select the specific account you want to review. This could be a credit card or a checking account, depending on what you're looking to check. Once you've selected your desired account, you'll want to tap on View Account. This will take you directly into that account's dashboard where you can see detailed information about your transactions. Inside your account, start scrolling through your transaction history. This is where you'll find a chronological list of all your recent activity. At the top of this list, you'll likely see a section for pending transactions. These are separated from the posted transactions, making them easy to spot. Pending transactions are charges that have been authorized but not yet fully processed. They're essentially in a holding state and can give you a snapshot of your recent spending habits. It's important to note that these pending transactions typically take about 2 to 5 business days to fully post to your account. This time frame can vary depending on the merchant and other factors, but generally, you can expect them to move to posted status within this window. Keeping an eye on pending transactions can help you manage your finances better as they impact your available balance even before they officially post. And there you have it. That's how you view pending transactions on Capital One. It's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. By regularly checking your pending transactions, you can stay on top of your spending and ensure there are no surprises when it comes to your balance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips on managing your finances effectively.